Hello everyone, welcome to Samasto YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn MS Excel another tutorial. Let's continue to know other tools of the Insert ribbon menu. Go to Previous Create Pivot Chart, click Slicer. Choose the field you want. Then click OK. These all help to filter the pivot chart. You can filter by selecting multiple fields. Just hold the Control key then select. You can switch rows or columns of the pivot chart. It's very useful option. Click this shape and create a hyperlink. This hyperlink option helps to link with other files of this computer or network. I created a link to the product sheet in this current document. This is working. Go to another sheet. Click text box, draw a text box and write some text in the text box. Then you can resize the box, and place it as your choice. Now insert the header and footer. First type title in the header. Then click Go to Footer, and write the page number in the footer box. You can insert the page number by clicking this button. This is Page Break Preview, displays only the print area. Go back to normal view. Header and footer can be edited in Page Layout view. It helps to insert page numbers automatically. Now insert WordArt. Select any of them. Write text. Then format WordArt as your choice. Select Shape Styles. Shape Fill. Shape Outline. Shape Effects. Text Fill. Text Outline. Text Effects. Send it to backward. Bring it forward. Again send it to backward. Align. Rotate. Now insert a signature line. See the example of every box, then type signer name, signer title, and signer email address. If you double-click on the signature line, then it helps to get the digital ID and services. This is the Object button. This option is used to import the list type of file to the sheet. Here I selected bitmap image, and drew an image which is automatically imported. Try again. Now select Adobe Acrobat document, and choose a PDF file. Close the PDF file, then resize the PDF file in the sheet. Now check how to insert equation. Select this. Change this with values. Again. It's very easy. Now insert the symbol into the cell. Select Wingdings font, and choose the symbol, then click Insert once. Try again. This all are created to teach about all tools of home and insert ribbon menu. Please see Excel related all videos, where you find them. Videos link are given in description box. Never miss those videos. This is the 6th episode of the Excel tutorial. Please share this videos with your friends. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Also subscribe our YouTube channel, and click on the bell icon for more update. See you in the next tutorial.